Welcome back to the second match in this evening's doubleheader. It's the second match in the quarterfinal series between Wolmer's Boys and Camperdown High. Wolmer's Boys won the first match. Scores are Wolmer's Boys on 5 points, Camperdown High ahead on 7, as we head into the speed challenge, in which teams can answer as many questions as possible in 3 separate 60-second periods. So Camperdown High, you won the toss, decided to go first. It is time for your first minute. What does Jehovah Jireh mean?
Brother Provider.
Yes. What is the 5-letter name for the mammary gland of female cattle?
Cattle.
Mammary gland.
But udder, does the word proclivity mean estimation, inclination, or imagination?
Inclination.
That's right. In which city is the headquarters of the World Food Programme of the United Nations? Yes. Cyan and yellow are 2 of the 3 secondary colors of light. What is the third?
Yellow and orange.
Magenta. What is the capital of Rwanda?
Kigali.
Yes. Which German musician composed the opera Carmina Burana?
J.S. Bach.
No, Karl Orff. What is the approximate percentage by mass of oxygen in sulfuric acid?
75%.
65%. The price of an item is $700 plus 15% tax. What is the price when tax is included?
So 15%. 7 times 15.
$105.
So $805.
Yes. Who played the role of Hannibal Lecter in the movie The Silence of the Lambs?
Pass.
Anthony Hopkins. Who led a series of military campaigns across Europe during the French Revolutionary Wars from 1796 to 1815?
Napoleon Bonaparte.
That's right. Which country was we won't have time. That is the end of the first minute for Camperdown. Well done, gentlemen, for your first minute. Wolmer's Boys, we're coming over to you now. It is time for your first minute. What does Jehovah Ra mean?
Lord of Help.
The Lord our Shepherd. How many stomachs does an elephant have?
4.
1. Does the word vituperative mean friendly, calm, or abusive?
Abusive.
Yes. In which city is the headquarters of the United Nations High Commissioner for Refugees?
Geneva.
Yes. Which color of visible light has the shortest wavelength?
Shortest. Purple. Purple.
Violet, specifically. What is the capital of Albania?
Tirana.
Yes. Which German musician composed the opera Parsifal?
Parsifal. Mozart.
Richard Wagner. A compound's empirical formula is CH2 and molar mass is 84. What is its molecular formula?
Pass.
C6H12. An item is sold for $800, less a discount of 18%. What is the price with the discount
Pass.
applied? $656. Which actor played the role of the Joker in the movie The Dark Knight?
Heath Ledger.
Heath Ledger. Who led the Red Army during the Russian Civil War?
Vladimir Lenin.
Leon Trotsky. In which country was the 2026 Winter Olympic Games held?
Italy.
Yes. Who is considered to be the father of atomic physics? And I'm sure you knew the answer to that was Ernest Rutherford, but time expired on you. Well done, gentlemen, for your first minute. Camperdown High, we're coming back over to you now. It is time for your second minute. Which country was expelled from the ICC Men's T20 cricket competition, which started in February 2026? Bangladesh. Whose proposal of the quantum theory resulted in him being awarded the Nobel Prize,
Max Planck.
Yes, for physics in 1918. What is the English translation for the item paraguas rojo?
Red umbrella.
Red umbrella.
Yes, who wrote the Canterbury Tales?
Einstein.
Geoffrey Chaucer. In what year was the Gleaner newspaper first published in Jamaica?
1834.
Good. According to the Bible, what prophet was hired by Balak to curse Israel?
Balaam.
Yes. What is the name for the surgical operation in men in which the sperm ducts are cut or
Vasectomy.
tied? Yes.
done.
Change this sentence to the present continuous tense. I have lived a good life.
I am going to live a good life.
I am living a good life. What is the name for the disputed territory claimed by both Guyana and Venezuela?
Essequibo.
Yes. What is the title of the national anthem of Canada?
Canada.
Yes. It is 12 o'clock noon at 30 degrees east. What is the time at 60 degrees east?
So 3 o'clock.
It's 2 p.m. actually. Close, but it's 2 p.m. Well done, Camperdown, for your second minute. Wolmer's Boys, we're coming back over to you now. It is time for your second minute. What is the English translation for the item Kaya Azul? Kaha Azul, huh?
Blue Street.
Blue Box. Who wrote the novel The Sun Also Rises? Yes, which Jamaican high school was started at Winchester Park in 1850?
Manning High School.
St. George's College. According to the Bible, what did Gideon use to test God with dew?
Fleece.
Yes. What is the name for the test in which a sample of amniotic fluid is used to check for abnormalities? One more time.
Amniocentesis.
That's correct. Change this sentence to the future tense. We have been camping all summer.
We will be camping all summer.
We will camp all summer. In 2026, following protests driven largely by Generation Z activists, which Asian country conducted its first post-regime change election?
Thailand.
Nepal, what is the title of the national anthem of the United Kingdom?
God Save the King.
Yes, at a scale of 1 to 50,000, a road measures 12 centimeters on the map. What is its actual length in kilometers?
This is 600 kilometers.
Just 6 kilometers. What is the meaning of the musical term subito forte? And we won't have time. That is to play immediately louder. Well done, though, gentlemen, for your second minute there. Camperdown, coming back over to you now for your third and final minute. In music, what is a scale of only semitones called?
Pass.
Chromatic. What is the atomic weight of silver to the nearest whole number?
108.
Yes. What is the average speed in kilometers per hour of a boat traveling 48
Pass.
kilometers in 45 minutes, 64 kilometers per hour? Who directed the 2021 movie Another Round?
Pass.
Thomas Vinterberg. In what year did Benito Mussolini, founder of fascism, first take power in Italy?
1922.
Good. Besides bobsleigh, in which other sport did Jamaica compete at the 2026 Winter Olympics?
Pass.
Alpine skiing. When a rod is rubbed and becomes negatively charged, what happens to the rod?
It absorbs. Go ahead. It absorbs heat.
It gains electrons. What is the English translation for juego baloncesto los viernes?
Basketball.
Pass.
I play basketball on Fridays. Who wrote the book Long Day's Journey into Night?
Samuel 7.
Eugene O'Neill. Using the word axe, A-X-E, give a Jamaican proverb which means be prepared for all eventualities.
No way to jump before you're gonna ask.
Good. In the Bible, who was the father of the prophet Zephaniah? And that's the bell. Cushi was the answer, but time ran out on you. Well done, Camperdown, for your third and final minute there. Wolmer's boys, coming back over to you now. It is time for your third and final minute. What is the atomic weight of platinum to the nearest whole number?
200.
195. What is the average speed of a car traveling 60 kilometers in 15 minutes?
4 kilometers per hour.
240 kilometers per hour. Who directed the 2021 movie Mank?
Pass.
David Fincher. In what year did Queen Elizabeth II ascend to the British throne?
952.
Yes. What was the motto for the Milano Cortina 2026 Winter Olympics?
Pass.
It's your vibe. To what is the resistance of a cylindrical metallic conductor directly proportional?
To the force.
The length. What is the English translation for La natación es mi deporte favorito?
Swimming is my favorite sport.
Yes. Who is the author of the book The Importance of Being Earnest?
Rascal.
Yes. Using the word watchman, give a Jamaican proverb which means wrongdoers may seem to prosper, but justice will come in time.
Every day God empty, one day God is watchman.
Yes, in the Bible, from whom did Abraham buy the cave of Machpelah to bury his wife Sarah?
Pass.
Ephron the Hittite. Gregor Mendel, the Austrian-born biologist, and that is the bell. We won't have time for Gregor Mendel. Well done there, Wolmer's boys, for your third and final minute. That's the end of the speed challenge. Scores in the match look to be Wolmer's boys on 17 points, Camperdown High on 23. Here now is a good word from True Milk. Study smart, not hard. When studying, focus on understanding key concepts rather than memorizing everything. Break your study time into smaller chunks with regular breaks for better focus and retention. When we come back, it'll be time for what's shaping up to be an exciting buzzer challenge, which will decide our winners. Stay with us. The second match in this best-of-3 quarterfinal series returns right after this.